Okay, this video will show you how to reset the Sunba Lite series camera. If you forgot your password or your username in the blacklist, you can using this method. Okay, firstly, you need to have these tools, OpenTelnet V4 tools, and open it. After you open it, you will have the safety code. You need to copy this safety code into Sunba tag, and they will give back your temporary super password. And you need to input your super password here, and input your camera's LAN IP address here. Make sure you can pin good your camera. Dot. Okay, now my camera is connected well, and open the Telnet. Okay, the camera's Telnet port has been successfully opened, and you need using the command tools. If your PC system didn't open the Telnet functions, you need to go to the control panel, the 10 Windows Telnet functions. Okay, you need to check these functions here and click OK. So your Windows will have the Telnet functions. Okay, now let's give the command here. Okay, press enter so you can log into the Telnet, camera's Telnet. The default username is root. Okay, using the root and password here. Password. Here it is, the password. I need to copy this password and paste it. Okay, I have logged in. After you log into the Telnet, you can using this command, copy this command and paste to the Telnet command. Press enter. Okay, the camera has been reset and you need to reboot the camera once. We can pin it again. The camera will be reboot. We need to waiting for the camera rebooting. Okay, the camera is rebooting. Okay, reboot it. So we go back to the camera and log in again. Okay, done. We have rebooted the cameras successfully.